In this video, we are building and giving away 100 houses.
Yeah. Go on, you go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, you your star. Only put pressure and I'm gone. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Owayne Allen Media alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Mr. Beast has made a profound impact on the lives of Jamaican families by building over 100 homes for those in need. I have that video to show you. Mr. Beast's generosity and compassion has transformed the living condition and brought hope to many households in Jamaica, and I am deeply touched by the kindness of Mr. Beast. As a Jamaican, I admire and appreciate what Mr. Beast has accomplished in Jamaica. His dedication to improving the lives of others in Jamaica and around the world is truly inspiring, and I wish him continued blessings. Blessings, Mr. Beast. Wish you good health. You have to watch this heartwarming video for yourself and leave your opinion of this video in the comment section. It's incredible to see. Check it out.
In this video, we are building and giving away 100 houses. And each home is going to change a family's life. Like this family, who didn't have a house to call their own. And they have no idea we just built them one. Take off your blindfolds and turn around. Behind you is your brand new home. Oh, I was not expecting that reaction. She is freaking out.
Always want them to our bunk bed. I'm a dream come true.
And this is just the first of 100 houses we're giving away.
First?
I'm glad they're happy. Let's go give away another house. With every single home we're building in this video, we're improving quality of life for families who don't have a safe space to call home. And we spent millions of dollars just on this video building these houses. Because here in Jamaica, there are currently over 500,000 people living in unsafe, life-threatening conditions, like this next family, whose house is so unsafe and unstable that it could literally collapse on them at any given moment. So you built this place?
Yeah.
By yourself?
Yeah, I brought boards and all materials they see.
But we're on top of a mountain, so you carried all this material up this mountain.
Yep. On my head.
Wow. We knew we wanted to build this family a house. So we sent them on a mini vacation so that we had enough time to work with our partners to build them a brand new home. You're about to witness a family that lives in this house go to living in this house. And I cannot wait to see the look on their faces.
Oh my.
What you're looking at is your brand new home. The trip we sent you guys on was just a decoy, so we could have time to build this brand new house for you. You want to see the inside? Come check it out.
Whoa.
We noticed that you guys might need some new furniture, so we completely furnished your new home. Now, on top of electricity, you have a water tank for running water. We put bunk beds in this room for 2 of the kids.
Oh my.
And if you go across the hallway, you'll see your bedroom.
Nice.
With a little crib, because I heard you had a newborn.
Tyra, that's your crib. Was been really hard, and you guys changed my life.
Here's officially the deed to the house.
Thank you guys so much.
And it sucks, but some of these places that these families live are extremely unsafe and in some cases life-threatening. That's where this family currently lives. The mom was telling us that roof doesn't work.
Whenever the rain falls, the whole place flooded, all over here.
Her kids get soaked and can't sleep. And as of today, that will not happen again. We built that brand new home for you. Here's the keys.
Oh my God. I got a new house.
Of course, this was just the beginning. We were able to build home after home for families in Jamaica. And we weren't gonna stop until we had built 100 houses. But unfortunately, at our next destination,
Mr. Beast's initiative not only provides shelter but also sets an example of how individuals can make a meaningful difference in communities worldwide. I will say this: politicians, artists, athletes, and people from all walks of life can learn a valuable lesson from Mr. Beast's actions in Jamaica. Mr. Beast is leading by example, and this shows us that there is power in contributing positively to the society, to your community, to your environment. Whether through charitable acts, advocacy, or community service, we can all play a role in improving the lives of others. By taking initiative and committing to change, we can create ripple effect of kindness and transformation. So let Mr. Beast's initiative be a call to action for everyone, the Prime Minister, all of these other people, right? We can make a difference in the country, in our community. This just warms my heart. Big up Mr. Beast. I've watched Mr. Beast contents before. I've been a fan of Mr. Beast entertaining and generous content. However, Mr. Beast initiative in Jamaica goes beyond entertainment. It resonates deeply with me on a personal level. Seeing him directly impact the lives of my people, my Jamaican people, providing them with new homes is truly amazing and incredible, and it's moving. It's one thing to enjoy Mr. Beast's creativity and challenges and giveaway, but witnessing the tangible, life-changing impact he has had on families and people across the world is truly incredible. Mr. Beast is one person I know for a fact is making powerful impact and are making a big difference in the world. So big up Mr. Beast again to the fullest. All these people who always get help from Mr. Beast, now I understand firsthand how those people have felt all this time. Mr. Beast has touched their lives through his philanthropy, and it's amazing to see. Mr. Beast did not only went to Jamaica and give away houses and help families. In that same video, Mr. Beast went to other countries and did the same thing, and it's great to see. Check it out.
As you can see, there's literally a fridge right there, which I assume got there because their house got swept away.
Exactly.
So you're saying when this floods, those houses that currently have families living in them could potentially be destroyed?
Yes, they will.
Well, not on my watch, because just a couple miles away, we've built rows of new houses for this community. No joke, we're giving away this home, 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 this home. There's a lot of homes. So we started with Maria and her daughter, whose previous home was completely demolished by the river during rainy season. And without even a bed to sleep in, every single day has been a struggle for them.
Con ayuda de Dios, le dio fuerza.
All right, and since they don't speak English, can you translate for them to turn around and look at their brand new home?
Puede darse vuelta.
Aquí está tu nueva casa.
Ay, Dios. Gracias. Gracias, Padrecito lindo. Gracias.
No problem. Come check out the inside. Oh, you want to give me a hug? Come on.
¡Qué lindura!
And while walking through their new home, we realized they didn't even know their house was free yet. Oh, you haven't told them it's free?
No.
Yeah, tell them. It's free.
No van a pagar. Todo esto es suyo.
Ay, gracias, Padre.
Congrats on the new home.
Ay, papito.
Bro, you're crazy for not telling me that it was free.
¿Me puedo acostar?
Sí, se puede acostar.
Ay, voy a dormir.
What do you think of it?
¿Me puedo dar un abrazo?
What'd she say?
Can he hug you?
Oh, of course.
Gracias.
This is why we do videos like that. Look how happy they are. Whose previous home was completely demolished by the river during rainy season. And without even a bed to sleep in, every single day has been a struggle for them.
Con ayuda de Dios, le dio fuerza.
All right, and since they don't speak English, can you translate?
Let me say this to Mr. Beast. On behalf of the Jamaican people, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Beast for his remarkable contribution to our beloved country. His generosity and kindness have touched the lives of ordinary Jamaicans, providing them with new homes and renewed hope. So big up Mr. Beast to the fullest. Jamaica is forever grateful for your compassion and dedication and for making such a positive impact on the people. And I know many Jamaicans are emotional right now. So Mr. Beast, your efforts will always be remembered and cherished. Trust me, we got Mr. Beast to the fullness. Alright, so that was the video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the subscribe. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.